Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Michael?
Huh?
I have work.
Come on. Where are you going?
I'll talk to Em later.
Erlen. Hey.
That what happened before?
Mama's over here.
The traffic stop?
Are you going to do push-ups again?
You told me about the broken tail light, which you did.
Hey.
But I'm more interested in the drunk driving part.
I wasn't drunk.
Michael, you are a two-star general driving with an open bottle in your car. What were you
It
thinking?
was Whitaker's beer.
And that makes a difference?
Nothing.
Yeah. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Come on, do it again. Come on, do it again.
Because she didn't want us to know what was
Push
going on.
yourself. Come on.
What do you call this?
It's different.
How?
Yeah.
Since you've been home, you've been moody and self-absorbed. I haven't said anything because I know what you're going through, but I will not stand by.